25,000 subscribers. That's a lot, man. It is. At least to me, it is a lot. Hey, what's going on, guys? Tanmaya for Simple Snippets on a very special occasion today, since our Simple Snippets channel just crossed 25,000 subscribers. I know I make these thank you videos quite often after crossing small milestones, and they might be small to you, but for me, man, this is a lot, guys. They may be small compared to many other educational channels, but to me, every single subscriber, every single view, every single like, dislike, and that every single positive feedback, comment is so valuable that I just really can't put it in words how grateful I am to be in this position where I can share my knowledge and information to so many of you guys all over the world. I can't explain how amazing it feels like to wake up every day and read through those lovely positive comments and feedbacks that you give me on my videos. I can't tell you how happy I feel when one of you guys sees that I saved your exams, or that you wish I was your professor, or that I made this topic simple, and I just can't thank you enough. But what I do know and can assure you guys is that I'm gonna do my best to keep making such amazing educational content on Simple Snippets, and we will surely grow and reach out to many more. Just wanted to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart, and I hope I do get to interact with as many of you guys as possible. Keep sharing and supporting as you always have, and have a great day. This is Tanmay Sakpal, signing off for Simple Snippets, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.